What if everything you thought you knew about medical progress was wrong? For centuries, ancient civilizations possessed profound healing knowledge that, incredibly, surpasses some of our most advanced modern treatments. We about to expose the astounding historical medical practices that modern science simply cannot replicate or comprehend, leaving doctors scratching their heads. Let's travel back to ancient Egypt, where doctors performed successful brain surgery over 4,000 years ago. Archaeologists have found skulls with clear signs of trepanation, which is drilling a hole into the skull. And the incredible part? The bone shows signs of healing, meaning the patients survived these complex procedures. Think about that for a second. Without modern anesthesia, sterilization, or antibiotics, how did they manage such high success rates? They even had specialized surgical instruments, from scalpels to forceps, that look remarkably similar to what surgeons use today. It's a medical mystery that continues to baffle experts. Now, let's journey to ancient India, the birthplace of Ayurveda and the Sushruta Samhita, an ancient surgical text. This incredible document, written over 2,500 years ago, describes more than 120 surgical instruments and details over 300 different surgical procedures. It provides shockingly detailed instructions for plastic surgery, particularly rhinoplasty or nose reconstruction. They developed techniques to rebuild a nose using a flap of skin from the forehead, a method that is strikingly similar to modern plastic surgery techniques. How did they achieve this level of anatomical knowledge and surgical precision so long ago? It's a testament to a level of medical sophistication we often fail to recognize. From the intricate surgeries of Egypt to the advanced plastic surgery of India, these are not just historical curiosities. They are powerful reminders that our ancestors were not as primitive as we might think. They possessed a deep understanding of the human body and developed healing methods that were far ahead of their time. These ancient practices challenge our modern perspective and show that there is still so much we can learn from the past. What other lost knowledge is out there waiting to be rediscovered? Thanks for watching. If you were as amazed by this as we are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into history's greatest mysteries. See you in the next video.